Here's a quick look at the well-do Napa faux leather car seats on a 2005 Acura here in Canada, but in the US this would be equivalent to the 2005 Honda Civic. This is an Acura 1.7 EL. It has leather seats that has holes, and so we decided to get car covers instead of replacing the seats, and it fits nicely with the design. You can see that it is universal, so for a smaller car like this there's a big cushion, but as a user you don't feel it. The diamond stitching looks really nice. You just use the chucks to go under the seats and the hooks under the other seats in the front on the cushion, and I'll show you what it looks like here in the rear. This one fits well with the two headrests. It's only missing a center headrest, but you can see how nice it upgrades the interior. It's definitely not like factory finish, but you can see all the belts are in place. The seat belts go around, and this is the original interior here. It matches really well with the full leather. I think the rear fits in much more snugly than the front. One thing to note, if you do get these, it comes with the unique hooks that are attached to the front seat covers, and I couldn't figure out how to put this in, and then all I did was tuck it in under until it's tight and snug, and that's all it took for the front seats. These are also the seat covers. From the front they look okay, but if you look at the rear, they're just covered with Velcro. There's another side where you can see it. It does look much better than the factory. The big problem with the factory leather was that it's really slippery, and so this will cover and protect your vehicle. And this is a quick look at what it would look like on a 2005 Acura 1.7 EL or Honda Civic. I do these type of reviews all the time. I hope this was helpful to you. If you like these kind of reviews, please consider following the channel. Thank you.